So hello guys, welcome back. In this one, I'll be going to entry model. As you can see, you have a bunch of entry models, and I'm gonna be honest, entry model shouldn't make a huge difference when you're trading, because you probably heard on Instagram that a lot of people are saying all you need is, for example, liquidity sweep, CISD, FPG to be profitable. And this makes no sense. Entry model shouldn't make you profitable. Okay, what will make you profitable is actually understanding how the market moves, because if you know, for example, we have this bullish candle, and if you know that the next candle will print a wick into this continuation level, it doesn't matter which one of these entry models you're going to use, because every single one of them should work if you have precise levels and you understand what the next candle is most likely going to do. Okay, so I'll show you which entry model I'm actually using. As you can see, a bunch of entry models, and as you can see, every single one of them is basically the same. Okay, engulfing is just this on a low time frame. Only these two entry models are a bit different. Okay, these are from liquidity inducement. So you have fake BOS to trap buyers, and then we're going to take out this low, and then this should be the real move. And we also have this one. Okay, so we created this market shift, we created another one, and after the another one, the low will become an inducement where you're going to have your buy limit, SL below the low. But for me, this is just too much complicated for no reason. And on indices and gold, the best entry model for me is just normal high being taken. Okay, so this last high, we're going to close above it. And now we got two options. We either going to place a buy limit on last high, or the price can go higher without tapping into this level. Okay, so you gotta understand the momentum, because for example, the price can literally just create small pullback into this level and then go higher. As you can see, these are my levels. This one and this one are the best for continuations. Okay, so this is the entry model I'm using, close above last high, and then based on the momentum, I'm gonna use either this level on Fibonacci or the last high. Super simple. And now let's go over some backtesting session as always. Okay, so we're gonna choose some random price action. This is 24, so this should be perfect. Let's go to daily. On a daily, the price action is not the best, as you can see, sideways. So I'm probably gonna wait for break either to the upside or to the bottom, and then we can trade the continuations. Okay, so currently, okay, we have the break. So now what I would be actually expecting. Let's go to 4H, for example. On a 4H, as you can see with this last push, so I'll be expecting the next daily candle to open, create the wick, and then continuations to the bottom. And inside the wick, we want to look for our entry model. Okay, so let's go back to daily. Let's see where the next daily open is going to be. Okay, so the daily open is at this point. So I'll be expecting wick to the top and then bearish body like this. So now let's go back to 4H to find our closest continuation level where we're going to look for our entry model. Okay, so now we have this push. So we can just take Fibonacci from the top of the push to the bottom of the push. And we just got to wait for pullback into this level. Okay, so all we wait for is the pullback to be done. Okay, we're going to put the fips like this. And as you can see, we almost tap into the level. And now let's have a look for the entry model. Okay, this beautiful tap, we tap into it. We have this rejection candle. So you can now remove this daily candle. Let's go to 1H. And on the 1H, as you can see, we have this open, higher, lower. Then we have another open, lower, higher. Hold on, this is not clean. Let me put it like this. We opened, went lower, higher, and we close at this point. Okay, so this is the last low. Okay, so this will be last low. Once you're gonna break and close below it, then we can look for entry model. Okay, so now we just wait in. We also have this low, so we either can put aggressive sell stop below this low, and as you can see, we have this beautiful continuation level. So this should be a wick on a daily. Let's see the daily open. The daily open is at this point. Okay, so we have a new daily open. This is the wick being printed. Hold on, let me make it clean. Okay, so this daily open, this is our continuation levels. Okay, so let me remove the fips. And now this is basically the daily wick, and we are expecting bearish body to be printed like this. Okay, super simple. So you can literally place a sell stop like this, SL above the high, and then if we are expecting bearish body For example, having the same push like this, you can literally just put it, let's say 1 to 3. This is nice. And let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so this aggressive model, and if the aggressive model will close, for example, like this, then we can take this whole low, place a sell limit, and then the same thing. Okay, so sell limit, SL above specific high. So let's see what's going to happen. Let me remove this one and this one. Now, as you can see, we broke below last low. So this can be the entry model I use. Okay, so we close below last low. This will be the entry point, stop loss, for example, like this. And we can enjoy this bearish body being printed. Okay, so this was the aggressive one. This is the safe one. So let's see what's going to happen. And as you can see, beautiful. Exactly as expected. All the way from hard time frame to our entry point. By the way, I do not use the 1H. This was just an example. Okay, so always try to look for continuations with the momentum. So this was our continuation level. Inside the continuation level, we waited for a simple entry model. You're trying to keep everything as simple as possible, because the more things you're going to use, the more you'll be confused. Okay, so in this case, we had aggressive model and also the safe one. So once we broke and closed below last low, in this example, this was our sell limit, SL, for example, like this. And as you can see, beautiful. So hopefully it makes sense. If you got any questions, you can just DM me on Instagram or leave a comment below, and see you next time.